Would you like to get $5 free just by signing up for an account at a bank, receiving a MasterCard within minutes, and using it for online purchases? It's a quick and easy way to earn a little extra money. All this and so much more is offered to you by Myfin Bank account. This is exactly what we will learn about in this informative video. Myfin is a prominent Bulgarian bank that proudly supports all Arab countries without exception and offers an extensive range of its financial services worldwide. Additionally, it provides users with a dedicated bank account and an IBAN number, allowing them to securely send and receive money worldwide with ease. In addition to many free plastic and virtual MasterCards for online purchases, you can also receive a $5 gift upon registration. You can make payments in Bulgarian lev, euros, US dollars, and British pounds sterling. It also provides you with a genuine European bank account complete with an IBAN number. It offers both plastic and virtual MasterCard cards, and you can receive $5 free after funding your account initially. There are no recurring monthly or annual fees or deductions, unlike with Payoneer. You can also conveniently transfer money to any other bank located anywhere around the world. You can easily transfer money to anyone else who has a Myfin account simply by using their registered phone number. You can also easily recharge your MasterCard by using any other bank's card. It provides a user-friendly app for all phones. You can conduct transactions seamlessly anywhere you want, making it the best alternative to popular financial platforms like Paysera and Wise. Download and install the Myfin app. Open the app and click on Sign up to register for the first time. Enter the country code, the phone number without the leading zero, your email address, the password, and any referral code if available. This can potentially get you $5 in cash. Agree to the terms and confirm that you're over 18 years old, then click Continue. In the next step, press the currency icon, and it will allow you to select the euro currency from the available options. Select the specific document you want to use to verify your account, such as a valid passport, and then click on the Continue button. Allow the app to use the camera and microphone. Additionally, it informs you that the passport must be authentic and the lighting should be sufficiently good for the photo. Upload the passport photos, then you'll be asked to take a selfie, solve the CAPTCHA, and click on Continue. This is your phone number, and a verification code will be sent to it shortly. Enter the verification code and press Confirm, making sure to complete all steps within just 1 minute. Your Myfin account has now been opened, and you need to wait 1 to 2 days for your account to be activated. After the account is accepted, click on Login and enter your email and the password you registered with. This is a KYC document containing questions. You need to fill it out with your name, surname, address, and in section 2 it asks about your occupation. In number 3, you need to state your income source. In number 4, it specifically asks you about the exact value of your company's revenues. Choose the first option. Question number 5 asks if you have any relatives living in Bulgaria. Select No, then click on the Continue button. This is your account. To receive the €5 added to your account through the referral link, The amount will be credited to your balance after you successfully top up your account with at least €5. And you also need to make a transaction of at least €1 with the card. After that, the €5 will be added automatically. Below, simply click on the card icon, and you will find 3 distinct types of cards displayed at the top. A digital card is particularly important for residents living in Europe, while a virtual card is commonly used for online purchasing and promotional activities. Click on Gate New Card. Select MasterCard use from the options and choose the specific currency you wish to use for transactions. Agree to the bank's terms and click on Gate My Card. Music, click on I am done. This is your card, and you can modify its settings anytime. Adding a name, there are no limits to spending, or freezing the card. By clicking on More, you can easily view the card information from selecting the first option on the menu. You can also delete it. The issued card remains valid for a total of 5 years. Renewable. Click on the icon at the bottom left. You will find the IBAN number through which you can, and other bank accounts. To recharge the account, simply click on Add and choose the currency. Enter the amount. The minimum standard shipping cost is €15. Click on Add Source, which is the charging source for your device. Enter card information from which the money will be sent. It must be either a credit card or a debit card. And you can also send the IBAN number to recharge the account. Or on Wise or by Sierra. To send money quickly, click on Send. Click on the plus sign. Enter the name and phone number. You will find all the specific names in the list. Next to the name, the Lao word. Click on it, select the amount, and below, be sure to choose Referrals. Here is the referral link. This is the sentence you can easily send and share with friends. To win €5, both you and the individual who accessed the platform using your unique referral link will benefit from this program. In the end, Myfin is a secure digital wallet. It enables you to make secure payments easily, quickly and safely in different countries, free international eBay. It provides you with a bank account number, no fees, in addition to the ability to control by freezing your cards, establishing limits on payments and cash withdrawals, using only the app,